Okay, furnace inspection today. I have a 2009 Lennox High Efficient, and when we take a look at our combustion to the furnace, we've got our combustion terminating out to the side here in between a wall and the side of the furnace. Then we have our inducer exhaust, which is running up and over and on the way to terminating out the cinder block and then out the roof of this house. It is tied in to the Vacuflo exhaust. So we're about to do a little bit of digging to find out, because I have never actually ever seen anybody do anything like this. This is absolutely crazy.